got. I want
Faye got.
The Polar Express train for under the tree.
Oh boy!
I don't know what that was. I was just really excited. That's it, Layla. All aboard. We're going to show you how to set it up and see what it looks like. This is the Lionel battery operated train set. This is what comes in the box. I bought the battery version of the Polar Express train, but you can get the plug-in. So with the battery set, it all comes a bit plasticky. With the plug-in set, you get like a triple track and I guess a bit more, well, you get all the figures with it, and it's less plastic, yeah, more.
A bit more for like an actual train.
More expensive looking, I suppose. This is a train. The other one also comes with a remote control to do all the sounds and stuff, but I think this one just literally says the sounds on the way round. Polar Express. Just hook it on. This is simple, this. We'll be well away. The end of the train, look. There's 16 straight tracks and 8 curved. We wanted to put it around our Christmas tree. Pretty sure it will work, so just see what happens. This is how simple the track goes together. Push, pull. This is just the 8 tracks put together to make a full circle for our tree, so we think we're going to keep it like that because it's cute. We got this for £50, reduced from 60, so not too bad. Looks pretty cool in the front. And we're just going to put the batteries in. Okay, do not open the bottom because some sort of the engine. The screw was on the top of the train and it needs 2 double A's. Just got to get all the wheels on the track. There's a switch with a sound setting and a non-sound setting. Obviously we're going to go for the sound one. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, it's got the light on it. Oh. That is sick. Okay, so it says, oh. Tickets please. All aboard, this is the Polar Express. And it says, I am the king of the North Pole. It's awesome. This is it without any sound. So this one's simple and fun, and obviously we've got a little toddler, so I mean it'll be good for her. The other one is £170 and it comes with remote control, and it's got like, you can go forwards, you can go backwards, and you can press the sound yourself and that. But to be fair, this is all we need. £50, I love it. Right.
Hello.
Shall we turn this on, baby?
Don't worry about
Layla,
this.
what's this?
It's gone. Gone.
Layla, what's this? Ready?
Wow.
What's that? Oh.
She doesn't like moving things.
She doesn't like moving things. It's okay.
It's a toy.
Go.
Stop.
Gum.
Gone. Here's your train. Choo-choo. No?
You want to turn it on? No.
Oh, bored.
And thanks for watching our video. We'll see you in the next one.
Next time.
Bye.